Ever wondered how to make others come to you effortlessly? It's all about using the right bait. Whether it's a smile, a compliment, or an interesting story, the key is to make them curious and eager to approach you. Think of yourself as a magnet. When you radiate positivity and confidence, people can't help but be drawn to you. It's like magic, but better, because it's real. Want to attract the right people into your circle? Use bait that's tailored to them. Show genuine interest in their passions and watch as they gravitate towards you.
Sometimes you have to be a little crafty. Create an environment that's irresistible, like a cozy coffee shop vibe or a fun game night. People love being part of something special.
Remember, the best bait is authenticity. Be your true self, and you'll naturally attract those who appreciate you for who you are. It's the secret sauce